Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your MacBook Air for AirPlay use. Make sure Mac OS Ventura or later is installed on your MacBook Air. Enable Wi-Fi and connect to the same network as your AirPlay receiver. Turn Bluetooth on to help device discovery in system settings. Keep your MacBook Air within 30 feet of the target AirPlay receiver for reliable signal strength. Prefer the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for smoother video and audio streaming when available. Next, enable AirPlay in system settings so the icon appears consistently. Open System Settings and click Displays to show AirPlay options. Locate the AirPlay to drop down and choose the specific receiver name listed on your network. If your Mac requests permission, enable Allow AirPlay for this Mac in the same panel. Close System Settings after confirming the receiver is selected to make the AirPlay icon appear in Control Center and the menu bar. Finally, start screen mirroring using Control Center on your MacBook Air. Click the Control Center icon in the menu bar, then click Screen Mirroring to see available receivers. Select the receiver name you enabled in Displays and wait 3 to 5 seconds for the connection to establish. Adjust display or sound settings in the same menu if needed during playback. When finished, open Control Center again and click Stop Mirroring to end the AirPlay session cleanly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.